In this video, we're going to discuss how to navigate your viewer back to the base view. So suppose you've taken some actions, you've created some events, such as making a member, taking off some areas, taking off a distance, and potentially having rotated that crop box. There are two ways to navigate back to the base view, one of which is a little bit more time intensive, one's quite quick. The time intensive way is you go to the recording menu over here, drop down from each of these sub menus to delete the individual actions or members or areas that you've taken off by left clicking the X box. So there's the member, it's now been deleted. Here I'm going to delete all in terms of measurements and areas. It's going to ask if I'm sure. We are. And we're going to delete that as well. So all my actions have been deleted, but you'll notice my crop box is still on a little bit of a skew. To get that back, I'm going to click on it. And now we kind of have to fiddle around with the angle to see if we can get it back to where it was, and as well increase or decrease the extents a little bit. But as you can see, it's not quite perfect, and it is very difficult to get back perfectly. Not that it necessarily needs to be. An alternative to that method, which is a little bit more time intensive, is say we've, I'll just get out of this. Say we've got our crop box and it's on that angle again, and we don't quite want this. One easy way to get back to the initial state is we go up to our browser and click refresh, and that's going to bring you back to your base view. Everything that you've done will be removed, and you're going to get the original view that was provided to you. You have to be, of course, very sure that you want to do this because, well, everything will be eliminated. All your notes, your measurements, your distances, all of your work will no longer be available to you. But if you've made some mistakes and just want to get back to the original view, the refresh tab is the quickest way to do it.